Hi everyone, hope you all are good, doing well. Welcome to our channel Maple Garments and Tailors. Today we are going to teach you how to make the Punjabi dupattas. Yes, uh, you can see this is beautiful Punjabi dupatta. So I'm your host and I will teach you how to make this Punjabi dupatta and how to perfectly sew this lace with this dupatta. So first of all, we will put this lace with the border like this, and we will mark on the other side like this. And now put this lace on the right side of the mark like this, and we will sew it with the dupatta. And when we will turn it back, and it will look like this. So let's start sewing it. So we will put the dupatta wrong side up like this. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. We will put the dupatta wrong side up and we will put the lace right side up like this. Sew the lace on with the wrong side of the dupatta, and just we will sew it with a simple running stitch. Sew all the lace with the same margin. And sew a straight line on the edge of the lace. Now here's a trick to make beautiful and clear corners. So we will sew the lace at the end of the dupatta. We will end it here, but we will not cut the lace, cut the thread only. And let me show you what to do here. Now we will turn this lace like this on the right side, and see the beautiful border is gonna be done. Now turn this dupatta back like this, and now turn the lace from here like this and start sewing again. Like with this method you will see the corner of the dupatta will look beautiful and very clean. You will see. Let me complete this seam length and I will show you how to turn this lace and make the beautiful corners. You know, the corners in a dupatta are the most important thing. So this is very important to make the corners clear and beautiful. So if you want to make your dupatta with the Punjabi suit, salwar suit at home, you can make it. Watch the full video and follow all the steps. Then you will make a beautiful dupatta at the beautiful edges. So now here we are going to end this border. So first we will turn this lace border on the right side of the dupatta like this. We will put it here carefully like this and end this border on outside like this. Now we will cut the lace as well. Let me show you what we are going to do. And now we will turn this border like this and we will sew it from the other side. So now here's a corner. Let me show you what to do here. So simply and turn this lace like this and you will see how beautifully it is done. So let's start the second seam line. We will start it from here. And sew it with a simple running stitch. Slowly pull the dupatta with the other hand like this and sew it. And you will definitely do it. Now here's a corner. So on the corner, carefully push the extra fabric inside and now stop the machine and sew from this side. And now you can see the dupatta is ready. Check the stitches and check the cleanliness. And the Punjabi dupatta is ready. I will teach you how to make the Punjabi suit as well in a next video. So please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.